In the world of construction, innovation and creativity often take center stage, showcasing the remarkable skills of workers who push boundaries and redefine what's possible. From ingenious techniques that elevate efficiency to uniquely designed tools that streamline complex tasks, these construction workers operate at a level that's truly extraordinary. Whether it's harnessing the power of advanced machinery, perfecting traditional methods, or implementing cutting-edge designs, the dedication and craftsmanship displayed in this field are a sight to behold. Join us at Wow Effect as we explore some of the most impressive and innovative approaches that highlight the exceptional talent of construction professionals around the globe. Forget the bricks. These new materials are not gonna let you down. Creating an irrigation canal system to meet the irrigation needs effectively. Even the force of the water eventually succumbed to the oppression of the worker. I wonder where safety would rank among their work criteria. For top-notch carpenters, measurements no longer exist in their dictionary. What salary level do you think would be appropriate for this job? If you want to renovate your house's style, you can consider thatched roofing. A wall woven with strings for a cool summer? Why not? A clever idea for a concealable drain cover that is easy to close and open. Another example for the "work smarter, not harder" quote. The drainage pipe becomes clear again as he thoroughly cleans the massive tree roots. Is the idea of replacing the brick stack with specialized scaffolding really safe? Grind picture a brick wall getting a mind-bending tattoo. That's the vibe right here. Sharp, surreal, and seriously next level. Mounting tires with fire is an impressive method, where the tire is forced onto the rim by the explosive pressure of gases. Don't try this at home, kids! That time, not going to stay. It doesn't look the same on this side as it looks on that one. The guys are showing how railroad spikes were hammered in the steam locomotive era. You can't achieve success without coordination. This guy is so skilled at operating a forklift that they hired him to work indoors as well. This spiral coupling is perfect for frameworks subjected to high stress, such as the wall for this wastewater treatment facility. The coupling system was specially designed to handle intense loads, strains, and deformations without sacrificing structural flexibility. Yeah! Who would have thought that you only need 2 pros to perfectly paint a massive ship? How do you like this perfectly designed, long-lasting staircase? Now check out this super fast build. When best friends work together, they always get the best results. Check out the most dangerous job in the world, building a wooden road on a 500-meter cliff. Don't worry, the skilled specialists are on it. This guy's sense of balance threw me off balance. When it comes to intricate laminate patterns, this specialist is second to none. Blink and you'll miss it. This technology is really one of the fastest growing trends in construction, the use of semi-autonomous machinery operated remotely. These technologies are game changers, allowing operators to leave the cab and work from a safer, more comfortable location. This transforms demanding, often hazardous tasks into exciting and sought-after jobs. I have a front camera I'm looking at underneath. That is a rear camera, and then 2 side cameras, left and right, real-time cameras. So I know exactly what's going on in that machine, just as if I were sitting in the cab. An excellent wall jack that not only saves time, but also ensures safety. The scale of the railway station reconstruction in Nanning, China is nothing short of epic, with 500 workers and 180 machines working day and night. The most stunning moment came when hundreds of men joined forces to move a 260-ton turnout. The system settings for this team are cooler than Google Analytics. This amazing worker doesn't believe in the concept of stronger and weaker sexes. The way this level guides smoothly over this wooden frame speaks volumes about the craftsmanship of the builders. Even Hawkeye would be jealous of this person's accuracy. While other people are racking their brains over complex 3D projects, this professional just takes a spatula and makes it simple. This walking excavator looks a lot like spiders crawling. Its cutting-edge chassis design, featuring multiple hydraulic cylinders, lets it adjust its wheels and supports to suit any terrain. Equipped with a powered boom, this 9.5-ton excavator tackles the toughest challenges in extreme environments, whether in forests, mountains, or even underwater, where it easily dives to depths of several meters. This technique for loading wheels is both practical and a great mood booster. An old tractor's reduction gear was repurposed into a practical piece of equipment. A monumental engineering feat in Detroit in 2022. The 1,100-ton frame of the new 2nd Avenue Bridge was moved using self-propelled modular transports. The speed and sense of beauty of these guys are all inspiring. They created an incredibly realistic illusion of boulders and stone slabs. Are those fish? This idea is just insanely cool. This guy used a metal ladle to save himself many hours of painstaking work with a shovel. Instead of spending tons of time taking measurements, you can use a fixed bracket and just throw a shelf up on it. Check out the fastest way to remove labels from plastic pipes. Just look at how this unusual technique causes bricks to instantly come together under the pressure of a rope. Why wear yourself out and waste time grouting between bricks when you could do it like this worker? Flexum Roof Mortar is a flexible, storm-resistant roof mortar for new construction and renovation projects. An ideal device for quiet and dust-free grinding of reinforced concrete walls. Wall Lift enables a single worker to lift up to 50 feet of framed walls in seconds. And right after completing the task, your gas bill is $200. A clever idea to help you move around without too much climbing. If you're not satisfied with your current floor, get in touch with him for an improvement. Remember this trick in case you need to move without a ladder. This brings to mind the idea of us shaving after 6 months. This job certainly isn't meant for those afraid of heights, just like me. If you miscalculated while installing a door and now it's hard to open, just know that you can always sand it down to the size you want. These blocks are held together with heavy-duty foam cement. Just look at the loads they can hold. It looks exactly like a Minecraft glitch. Haven't thrown out that empty bottle yet? Good, because it's perfect for avoiding unnecessary dirt while you work. Just a few simple cuts are all that's needed to fit decking right into a column. If your garage is already full of junk, we have an idea. How about you take advantage of the space in the ceiling? This guy will help you differentiate the way professionals work from regular folks. Let's check out the satisfaction from the new look of this road. Team spirit is the essential material to build the perfect home. Turns out, art can also be born from the flames. This is what you get when you hire a meticulous person to decorate your ceiling. DryFlex is a reliable solution for repairing corroded door gaps. Would you be willing to place such complete trust in your coworkers? Prepare yourself mentally so that your eyes won't be deceived by this work of art. Why buy a new shelf when you can make use of these leftover tiles? This is a fantastic idea when you want to design a small garden space to play with the kids. This craftsman is carrying out the wood preservation process using the carbonization method. When the homeowner requests a new yard by the next morning, this is how the workers respond. Hoping the harmony between her beauty and skills deserves a thumbs up from you. they don't lie when saying the tilling job would be done in just 1 hour. This video is satisfying even for people with OCD tendencies. The intervention by the cosmetic surgeon, Bulldog, makes a concrete surface become smoother. Sometimes, a project doesn't require the support of modern technology, and here's an example. He turns challenging tasks on the construction stage into captivating and appealing performances. When the employer asks you why they should select you, here's the answer. Working smart won't leave you exhausted. Lucky that he didn't confuse between his toes and the brick. This tool will be a lifesaver to help you save energy while working. Take a look at his incredible kung fu skills performance. Sometimes, speed is a top priority. What's your rating for this intriguing Lego model? Conveyor belt exclusively for transporting bricks. The acrobatic dismantling of massive scaffolding. It looks more impressive than safe. This guy will help you grasp the fast as lightning concept in no time. And they have discovered a method for installing partitions for windy days. When possessing a brilliant mind, working won't be as tiring as you imagine. With finesse, no one can guess that the carpet has undergone a minor surgery. When you can't tackle a task alone, give your best friend a call. If constructing the railroad takes months, taking it down is a matter of seconds. Do you think this installation requires machinery? No. A strong arm is all he needs. Check out this life hack that can make old linoleum look like new with just a few simple motions. A tape measure allows you to achieve the perfect cut for drywall. Even the challenging task of achieving a perfectly round cut becomes effortless. It's just perfect. Don't throw away that plastic bottle just yet. It can be used as a jack. Check out this simple yet sophisticated wallpapering technique that makes seams virtually disappear. Check out how well a few cheap rails can transform into a wall for zoning space. Next time you run out of glue, don't run straight out to the store to buy more. A plastic bottle works just as well. Check out this hack that each one of your fingers will thank you for. A grinder can help you cut a perfectly round hole in a tile if you cut it like a pizza. First, a level and a marker are the best tools for making diamond brick work. Here's an idea for you. Make a real cyber wall out of drywall. Mind-blowing, huh? It has never been easier or cheaper to make the most original PVC pipe table in the world. What makes modular homes so attractive is how quickly and beautifully they're assembled. The most important thing is to pick the right spot, and the construction team will have the wooden structure up in a matter of hours. An unusual upgrade for a sawmill. Teamwork can make wonders. A method perfected through years of experience. Check out how this person creates a real tree with just a little magic and a plastering trowel. Does anyone have a phone number for these guys? I need them on my street ASAP. In about an hour of work on this bulldozer, the guy can dig out an entire pit. After such high-quality work, it's impossible to find where the seams were on the walls. No way! This guy brought the bright color back to those chairs using a torch. It's incredible what plaster can do in the hands of someone with an imagination. Guys, don't stop watching! This perfect flume being formed is pure satisfaction. I could watch this guy do this forever. He's such a pro that he can make his forklift bust out breakdance moves. This mobile robotic system is designed for precision tasks and confined spaces. The manipulator, with high torque, is effective on floors, walls, or ceilings up to 4 meters high and can perform a wide range of operations, from impact drilling and milling to 3D concrete printing. Imagine how powerful you'd feel while controlling this industrial giant. It's hard to believe that this master can create such delicate details with such a crude tool. Imagine having this guy's sense of depth perception. You know you're a top-level welder when you're entrusted with making a giant ship propeller. Here's more proof of that. 1, 2, and the wall is perfectly plastered. The crew is used to tight schedules. Even a massive 1,200 square meter screen has to be set up as quickly as possible. Working on a construction excavator sometimes feels like an adventure for daredevils. Here's another proof that any process, even peeling fruit, can be automated. This guy decided to take care of his health by flying on the air conditioner instead of carrying it. Check out this smart way of using every drop of concrete without any waste. Removing parquet flooring usually takes a lot of time, but not when done by an experienced craftsman. What do you think of this innovative method of transporting slate? The work crew discovered a fast, convenient way to transport pipes using straps. The ingenious simplicity with which this worker creates a perfect curve left me in shock. Somebody is extremely meticulous, but the result is 100 times better than you would ever expect. Every stage of installing a sturdy epoxy floor boring system. The idea behind this technology is that plastic balls are used to fill the floor slabs. These spheres displace excess concrete, specifically the portion that doesn't serve a load-bearing function. Just a kilogram of plastic replaces 100 kilograms of concrete. This makes for a solid, durable structure that's much lighter and more cost-efficient compared to traditional slabs. Have you ever seen a brick wall built without mortar? Use this homemade dual roller mechanism to save time on painting by hand. To quickly cut a hole for the inner plate, you should use a perforator with crowns. To make such a stunning oval threshold, all you need is an ordinary measuring stick. An ingenious mechanism involving a pencil and wire makes it easier to dock the board with rocks of any shape. Check out this original house design using glass bottles. This is how an expert worker compacts cement in just a few seconds using a simple pipe. If a Swiss watch were human, it would undoubtedly be these 10 impeccably synchronized guys. Check out this guy hammering nails at the speed of light. This worker paints all the markings so perfectly by hand that even a machine can't make it so satisfying. Now, try not to get trapped while watching this person at work. Can you help me with the bathroom wall renovation? Of course. Please check back in about 2 hours. Maybe the employer should consider reviewing a salary raise to properly reflect this person's work performance. Oh wow, I'm genuinely concerned about her spine. Check out this operator controlling the bucket with surgical precision. For the perfect worker, not even their shoes leave a mark. The bricklayer who set up these bricks knows exactly how to enjoy his work. A single putty knife is all you need to create a flawless curved border if you're a true construction genius. A circle is the perfect shape, yet it's the most challenging one for builders. With a crane on your team, you'll start feeling like a real strong man. Quick landscaping with rolled turf, a life hack for working with high ceilings. Wow! In just 2 quick movements, the holes disappear like magic. What is this if not a dream team? Just looking at this is already powerful. But no one can compare to this woman's skill. With unmatched bravery and precision, this professional will install an air conditioner on any skyscraper, no matter how high. This stencil system is a great solution for those looking to save both time and money. It allows you to transform concrete into a work of art and create any kind of paving stone design you desire. Additionally, a spray-applied finish using a compressor and hopper gun creates a highly abrasive and naturally non-slip surface. An ordinary rope can help maintain the perfect gap between bricks. Did you know that using a food delivery service can save you money on expensive garden tiles? And just like that, a few metal pipes saved these guys from some arm and back pain. To quickly and evenly spread a liquid across the surface, all you have to do is cut some holes in a bucket and stretch. A drain cover can easily be hidden in the floor using a rotating system for easy access. With some drywall and glue, you'll make the seams on the floor literally disappear. And here's a cool way to quickly remove plaster. It's amazing how accurately this guy uses a grinder to create perfect lines on tile. A master excavator driver found a creative way to spend his free time by playing tic-tac-toe. Comes an enjoyable process when this master gets down to business. This brilliant woman figured out a creative way to make expensive-looking stones using ordinary cement by putting it in a bag. Incredible! Check out this smooth way of creating steps. Incredibly impressive. This person's self-preservation instincts pale in comparison to a job well done. This excavator operator doesn't need any help because he can load the equipment in his own unique way. The core idea behind this innovative technology lies in the use of advanced fabric materials that enhance the strength of concrete structures and protects them from erosion. This ensures the reliability of critical infrastructure, such as bridges, pipelines, and waste containment facilities. The less equipment there is, the more human effort is needed. You are now looking at the master of polyurethane foam. Look at how this worker sprays exactly the right amount. Tasked with creating a perfectly level floor without special tools, this resourceful worker came up with an ingenious solution of his own. The way this painter handles such high ceilings deserves an award. Before you is the god of grinding. How else do you explain his ability to create the coolest puzzle ever? With a single fluid motion, this genius transforms a plain concrete wall into a stunning brick one. This perfectionist found a clever way to smooth out a column without a single motion wasted. Thanks to these ingenious stamps, nobody has to pick up and lay out stones anymore. This woman isn't afraid of dirty work and heavy bricks. And this one uses bricks like dumbbells. Now that's some motivation. Even a 400-ton house can be moved anywhere in the world when a whole team of pros works together. Our floor won't ever budge again. Watch this puzzle transform into an ultra-precise corner of an external plenum. This type of coating has become increasingly popular in recent years, thanks to its environmental benefits and outstanding functional properties. The secret lies in the combination of natural mineral fillers, like gravel, slightly larger than sand, and a special resin composition. Its strength is 50% higher than that of asphalt, and its permeable structure ensures excellent drainage. Water quickly and easily flows to the surface into the soil, which helps manage floodwaters and reduce pollution in rivers. It's one house per minute. A Bollywood star paints houses during film breaks. Looks like a new passion. This is what perfect bricklaying looks like. While an ordinary worker spends all day plastering a wall, this guy can do it in just a few seconds. These guys have their own unique method for getting sand to the second floor. Just one of these bags weighs 50 kilograms. Now count them all and tell me, how does he do that? This construction worker smoothly spreads hot molten bitumen like frosting on a cake. This is an example of what working together with your best friend can look like, but only if you're both total pros. Seesaw is not just a game. It also has creative applications in construction. Don't hesitate to drop a like to this rolled egg version outside the construction site. Just imagine what responsibility you'd have to bear if there were mistakes in installing the bridge system. Don't worry, there are experts here always ready to assist you. Let's witness an unwavering work ethic in creating a wind turbine installation platform. Installing fabric-formed concrete to address erosion issues on riverbanks. Facade Click is a system that connects wall panels from the inside using wall. This provides a setup time 7 times faster. A safety harness and attention to detail allows this builder to easily place this massive structure on a towering 5-meter metal base. The 10 years it took to build the Great Wall of China would have been done in a week if this guy had been on the clock. Only in the hands of skilled craftsmen can a simple tool create such a perfectly flat surface. And now, allow me to introduce you to the Cristiano Ronaldo of the construction world. Sandblasting allows you to renovate an old door in a matter of seconds. Give this guy some tile, and he will create a truly convincing 3D illusion in your hallway. It's amazing how such a complicated process can be done in just one movement. An innovative worker devised a stencil to craft unique designs on the ground. You've all probably seen a mosaic floor before, but I bet you have no idea how it was made. Building the foundation for this kind of structure feels like working with a construction set. Modular formwork made from ABS plastic offers numerous advantages, including natural building ventilation, excellent insulation properties, and an effective way to set up an underfloor area for pipes and utility systems. Believe me, these guys are so experienced that they can afford to take measurements like this. This guy's concentration is top-notch. He doesn't waste any time on unnecessary movements. This skilled craftswoman isn't afraid of a few heavy wooden planks. Before watching this video, I had no idea that laminate could be used for cladding like that. What process do you find most interesting? Write it in the comments. Give a team of master craftsmen a couple of minutes on the field, and you'll have the best lawn for foot races. The future looks bright for this smart kid. It takes a lot of painstaking work by professionals to lay a carpet on such a large area. Take a look at the incredible surgical precision of this craftsmanship. When the worker finally understands the phrase, work smarter, not harder, all a master craftsman needs to create an incredibly cool floor is some glue, confetti, and lacquer. Don't be surprised if you get a high bill from this expert, because he can do the work of 10 people. Apparently, these workers were able to turn off gravity. How else do you explain them carrying their loads without wobbling? As we wrap up our exploration of the ingenious construction workers who are taking the industry to new heights, we hope you've been inspired by their talent and creativity. The innovation and skills showcased in these projects truly redefine what's possible in construction. If you've enjoyed this journey through remarkable craftsmanship and extraordinary techniques, please give us a like and subscribe to Wow Effect for more amazing content. Join our community as we continue to celebrate the incredible work happening around the globe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.